It's 9 p.m. I'm still waiting on Jerry to get here. And this is my wild hair. And this is Sunny. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. And this is what I'm wearing. It is tank top, blue jeans, sandals. And I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat now. It's probably dark in here, isn't it? Sorry, babe. Let's see. Let's try this close-up thing with the camera. Hold on. I really can't get it any closer because I have nowhere to sit it. Maybe here. What am I looking at? On the sofa. Maybe that would work. I don't know. Let's see. Come here, honey. You happy now? Oh, no. Kiss me. You happy now? Say hi to me. He's just a big old baby. That's what he is. Big old baby. Don't. I'm gonna go with doll hair all over me. You can get up now. Get up. I said get up, not on me.